Hey guys, yes, तो मिलकर थोड़ी देर और मुझे सुनना पड़ेगा. I,
It
I,
will
I
be
see
player
that
for
you.
them, I think.
हेलो सर. हेलो.
Hello.
क्या आपने
Yes,
बताया?
Yes,
आपने
Gaurav. So
मतलब
I'll just continue with your question. So now what has happened is that government has made a slab for them, and it is what I see. It is together going to build up all the airlines for a better future, because now not no airlines can hold the upper hand. Yes, of course they will hold the upper hand in terms of the services that they provide. See now सब गेम ऐसे चेंज हो गया है कि पहले अगर just faking your smile, that was still making some sense because you were not wearing mask. Now you cannot make a fake smile. Now you cannot do a fake hospitality, because if you do not do it from your heart, if you do not do it genuinely, then anybody, because you're wearing so much of protective gear, it is not going to go ahead to the guest in any industry, be it tourism, be it hotels, be it restaurant, be it even railways for that matter, anywhere. Tourism, was it struck badly? Yes, it was struck badly. How badly? Something like hotel we did, because there was no movement, but they could still survive because we never had any, your carrier airlines, we never had much. So passenger airlines or passenger jets were used for that. They still made some money. Still they were surviving. For example, now we are having this Vande Bharat, where Air India is using it. So now Air India is still making some money out of it. In our hotel, we had Vande Bharat guests, around 70 guests that came. So for us also, it was a matter of revenue. So we had to say at yes. But because we are not a COVID hotel, it was just for self-isolation. That's why we said a yes. In Gujarat, you must have seen there are a lot of hotels which are COVID hotels. For example, DoubleTree by Hilton, Fern, they are COVID hotels where a guest who is positive by COVID, if he wants to have luxury facilities, can go to those hotels and stay. So that way we were surviving, and we really feel that for coming few months we are going to survive like this till the time this gets on the peak, because we have to hit our peak, as in the number of people, we have to hit our peak. That is the only time it can come down. So I know personally I'm actually waiting for that peak now. जब तक peak नहीं आएंगे, जब तक नीचे नहीं आएंगे, तो नीचे नहीं आएंगे, तब तक we cannot get back normally. So I hope I answered your question, Gaurav.
yes sir.
Thank you.
Okay, anybody
सर
else? Yes.
सर कॉस्ट कटिंग पे भी सर मैटर हुआ होगा ना थोड़ा.
हाँ यार, so we have cost
Because-
cutting हुआ है. Vendor management has gone to another level where we have spoken to the vendors that yes, your payment is going to be delayed for a month or two, or even for that matter 3. And vendor also understands it, to be honest, because everybody is facing the same situation. Everybody is in the same boat right now. So they also understand. But yes, now we have to be really clear that your payment, for example, if a 10,000 rupees has to be paid by to X vendor, I would pay you this 10,000 on this day, and this is going to be the amount, so that that vendor can go to other people and ask the same amount of things. So now you cannot bluff, because you're bluffing. See, now time, I need you, you need me. Simple. I don't have X vendors right now because a lot of places have already shut down. So I cannot also try to play smart with them, because they also know that if you do not pay me on time, I'm doomed. I'm not going to supply you, because I don't supply, and especially in city like Ahmedabad, where vendors are very small, they're very precise. For example, milk in hotels, give you an example, there are very few vendors who supply milk to the hotels, not everyone. So if I do not pay them on the right time, my right amount, वो बंद कर देंगे supply. Simple. So yes, it is, it is altogether a relationship, or the PR has gone to a next level now. So yes, it's a that's what I'm saying. It's a big learning. It's a big learning, and I would say a wake up call as well, where we were going a far beyond, and we were not getting that human touch done. See, everything works on human. We are humans. We will always work on human touch. Now, when we are again getting back on this human touch, things are still going ahead because of only this thing, that we are still humans and we still want to talk to a wake up call.
Thank you sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, I have a question. Gaurav, I guess I asked you a question, answered your question.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. I have a question from Ovesh. Is there a decrease in your staff due to COVID-19? Yeah, unfortunately, yes, Ovesh. We had to. Very, very unfortunate call that we had to do, but we have to. Options are not many with us. But rather than, let's say decrease, what we are doing is we are trying to do other ways and modes of that. There is sabbatical. We are asking them to be on LWPs. And what we are doing is we are trying to do is that one batch of associates work in this month and one batch of associates work in other month, so that everyone is working, everyone is earning as well. And then as in, for example, we have started something which is called as LW, because there is a salary cut as well. So in those LWPs, the other batch is going to come and work so that they also earn and I also earn. So that way we are doing a makeshift in making sure that everyone is working together and everyone is also the bread earner and the breadwinner of their house, so that still they're earning that bread and butter to their house. I hope I answered your question, Uvish. The next is from ND. After COVID vaccine come into market, what would be a strategy to come back into market and to earn good? Okay, so NBR, just to give you answer to that, even if the vaccine comes, for example, I'm sure now we are seeing that some Bharat Medicos have already started doing some tests. Even if the vaccine comes, we are 1.2, so not 1.2, we are 1.4 billion people. By the time the vaccine goes to everyone, it is still going to be some years, at least 5 to 6 years. So would a vaccine help me in strategizing? Yes, it would. But how much? To be honest, I don't have any clue, because firstly, I do not know when the vaccine is going to come, how much time the vaccine is going to come. We say that it has, but still I would say it is in the trial method. It may work well on me, but it may not work well on some other person, because my antibody may be different, his antibody may be different. So till the time we have this big, large chunk of people on which one vaccine works, we cannot say first the vaccine is made, number one. Secondly, things are going to become normal. So yes, we'll go for normal strategies. We, as when this lockdown was happening, we started a strategy which was called as pay now, stay later. Pay now, stay later. And that was for a year. I guess that is not any it's valid anymore. So in that, you can pay for staying in my hotel example at a very, very marginal rate. Let's say the rate even went to for a night, that low, and that can be availed till July 31st next year. And that happened worldwide, Marriott, worldwide, in the 7,000 hotels. So that was a strategy that we had laid on. And now as and when vaccine comes, where people would be more free, I see that strategy that we took in earlier days, it is going to make an impact afterwards. Plus, what I see is, as and when we will reach our peak, people would be more free, the mindset would be more relaxed, and people are going to go more and more outside. And as now we are focusing more on health, we will be more free to go outside and enjoy ourselves. So our strategies would be, again, as I said, to really, for example, we have started Marriott on Wheels. It is going to go for a long time. Chef at Home, it is going to, let's say, we are just going to multiply our things on that. There's going to be new ways of marketing our rooms, that how now we can market our rooms where the person would want to come to our hotel. Market our events. Events have taken a big hit, where one banquet hall used to have 100 people. Now I can only have 50 people in it. We have done few weddings when we opened, where I personally was serving the guest. I was wearing, would you believe I was wearing a mask? I was wearing gloves. I was wearing a face shield. And to some guests, I was wearing half hazmat suit as well, like full closed, aisa tha main. So, they will go away. And when they will go away, the guest is automatically going to be more happy. And I also be going to be more happy, because मेरे को भी डर लगता है कहीं ना कहीं. So that strategy is going to go away. That वो मेरे को डर लगना बंद हो जाएगा. मेरे को भी डर लगता है, गेस्ट को भी डर लगता है. वो जो डर है ना, वो डर गायब हो जाएगा. And the strategies are going to revolve around that डर. कि डर is away. Let's now focus on something else. I hope I answered your question. NB, Parth, yes, Parth, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, as we know, right now we are continuing with the campaign, like sir, boycott China. Okay, sir.
Okay.
But sir, as we know, there are, as per my research, there are $52 million export from China to us. So, and sir, most of the products are electronic products. So, and we don't have sir subsidy for the same. So, what will be the impact of the same?
Okay. Wow, Parth, you are putting me in a very situation. Okay. See, Parth, we cannot boycott China at this moment. We cannot.
Yes.
When we say boycott, उसमें जो अपना फुनसुक
Sorry?
वांगडू है, थ्री इडियट मूवी
Yes.
हमने श्योर हम सबने देखी होगी, उसमें जो फुनसुक वांगडू, द रियल फुनसुक वांगडू, the real
Yes.
scientist who is
Yes.
in Tibet, and I'm sure there are a lot of videos that he posted. What he
Yes.
shared was that can we start boycotting China? We cannot stop boycotting China. What we can do is that slowly and steadily start building our assets that
Yes.
we were importing from China. And how it is going to help is that it is firstly going to increase the manpower. It is going to increase the employment.
Yes.
I'm sure we see that there are a lot of recession word that has been used for a couple of years now.
Yes.
Once that products are इंडिया लैंड की कोई कमी नहीं है, खड़ा कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी खड़ा कर सकते हैं, इतनी जगह है
Yes,
हमारे
sir.
पास.
Yes, sir.
Space is not a problem with us. We have a lot of space. So that's one point away. Second point is about manpower. We have 1.4 billion people, so we cannot even ask about we have manpower होगी.
Yes.
वो भी अलग हो गया. Do we have trained manpower? We do not have trained manpower. That's fine. But as and when opportunities come, we will have people or we will have government agencies who are going to start training these people. So that is again going to go away. Now the question is that can we start boycotting right away? We cannot, because this is also a bread earner for a lot of people. There are a lot of businesses which survive on that.
Yes.
So what you are saying, what we are saying is that उनका यार उनकी आप जिंदगी भी देखो ना ये. For me, for example, let's say I can say I can stop, but I can boycott. To be honest, I was going for a OnePlus phone. I did not. I went for a Samsung phone. And honestly speaking, I have a Samsung phone. I was going for a
Yes.
OnePlus. But that is the way that I have started doing that. So when you say boycott, that slowly and steadily stop using those products. But we also have to see that is our government is also starting to produce those same products in India itself, or do we have a derivative that we can go to other countries and get the same product?
Yes.
For example, USA may say that they can boycott China, but can they boycott China? They cannot, because 80% of their pharmaceuticals is only and only based on China. So if
Yes.
they boycott China, 80% of their medicines are going to stop coming.
Hmm.
No, we really have to boycott बोल सकते हैं, but boycott करना बहुत बड़ी बात है, especially when you are relying so much on this country. But is that bad? Yes, that is very, very bad. That is very, very bad. We should not have ever done that.
Yes.
We should not. अगर मैं आपको एक चीज और बताता हूँ, जैसे हम बोले ना कि चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट सस्ते आते हैं, कभी हमने
Yes.
अगर हमने इसको कभी रिसर्च करा कि वो सस्ते क्यों आते हैं, प्लीज डू दो
Yes.
रिसर्च. Labor, demand of the labor, the salary that they get is very, very less. The product quality that they use, see, when you say
Yes.
क्यों बन गया, बिकॉज ये फैक्ट है, क्योंकि उनके प्रोडक्ट बनते ही इतने सब स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी से हैं. दैट इज व्हाई यू वुड सी इन फोन्स इटसेल्फ, अगर आप कोई कार में चाइनीज कार चार्जर लगाओगे, उससे अपना फोन चार्ज करोगे, द चांसेस ऑफ योर कार, योर फोन जैक चार्जर गेटिंग डैमेज ओरिजिनल चार्जर.
Yes.
हम दिवाली को लगाते हैं ना वो लड़ियां टिक टिक ऐसे बोलती है, वो टिक 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 टिक.
Series.
You use something which is made in India, you use something made in China, made in India, maybe let's say 20, 30, 40 rupees expensive, but believe you me, brother, it is going to be giving you a lifetime value with a sense of security, no electric shock laga nahi hoga, and you will still be having a healthy life, because we just see that ये product है, but we don't understand कि वो कितने harmful chemicals or energies मार्केट में या वर्ल्ड में या इन्वायरमेंट में फैला रहे हैं. Burning a substandard plastic, so plastic anyways burning is bad, but burning a substandard plastic is even bad. So when we
Yes.
say cheap products, that is what the reason is. So when you say that, this Chinese thing boycott, yes, we have to start doing that. If we have to really do not go into these current situations once again, we really have to start. When I say आत्मनिर्भर, वो होना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. It is high time to do. But
Yes.
it has to be strategically done. It just cannot be keep on.
Yes.
It cannot be done like that way.
Yes.
I hope I answered your question, Parth.
Yes, sir. But sir, I want to ask one more question for the same
Please.
regarding the. Yes,
Uh-huh.
sir. Sir, as per my research, I'm attending many WebEx program from last 2 months. So I have come to know that there are more than 800 companies are coming to India for production. For example, Nikes and Samsung and Apples. Even sir, our Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal tweeted last day that Apple started manufacturing iPhone 11 in India only. So what is the impact of the same? Like by the 2025, we have more than 800 companies from China to they are separate to our country, so they can improve our export. So what was the impact of the same?
What will be, sorry?
सर व्हाट विल बी द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द सेम. सर वो कंपनीज है वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगी तो सर यहाँ पर इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा सर?
यार सी इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी गुड अगर वो कंपनीज यहाँ पर आ जाए. Regarding China, it is about giving employment in your own. So if that happens, then you can imagine that, for example, Samsung ने अब से कुछ साल पहले नोएडा के पास में एक अपना इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा प्लांट शुरू करा था.
Yes.
That particular plant has more than 2 lakh people employed. 2 lakh people employed. Just imagine if when you say 100, 200, just the number that you just mentioned, अगर इतनी कंपनीज आती हैं और एक कंपनी में just imagine सिर्फ 1000 बंदे भी काम करते हैं, the number of the employment that you're going to give to your own country, and the more employment that you give to your own people is more your economy is going to improve.
Yes, sir.
जितना पैसा मैं अपनी कंट्री में ही इन्वेस्ट करूंगा, नंबर वन, जितना मैं रेवेन्यू अर्न करूंगा उतना ही मेरी सरकार या मेरा देश अर्न करेगा. And that's where this economy gets better. If you would see, giving an example once again, I just very small length. So I go to China. China does not use Google. China does not use YouTube. China does not use Facebook. China has their internal all this. So what they do is they themselves. So yes, one way it is blocking their people to have the fine enough, but on the other side, what it does to their country is it gives them revenue. सब कुछ इंटरनल डेवलप होता है, सब कुछ इंटरनली यूज हो रहा है, तो अगर पैसा भी दे रहा हूँ तो मेरे पास ही आ रहा है. सो इट्स लाइक द होल थिंग इज हैपनिंग विद इन माय सेल्फ. द होल साइकिल इज गेटिंग टर्न्ड नाइसली. So yes, if these companies do come to India, it is going to be very very good to us. But yes, we also have to make sure that this is not harming the environmental balance of our country. That is also something we have to really make sure. We were an agriculture country. Still, if you would see, the only industry which was least impacted by COVID was agriculture. Still.
Yes.
And we would, to be honest, if India has to really outshine the world, agriculture would also still play a very big role. And there is no problem in that. So that's what I'm saying. So when these countries, कोई जगह भी लेगा, जगह की, as I said, जगह की कमी नहीं है, but जहाँ पर आप उनको जगह दोगे, वहाँ पर आप उनको रिसोर्स प्रोवाइड करो, and do not make sure कि आप एक एग्रीकल्चर लैंड लेके उनको वो जगह दे रहे हो. That is going to also eradicate this agriculture. So strategy once again has to play a very vital role in terms of how government plans that. But yes, all in all, it is going to be a really, really huge development for the nation. Really huge.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Parth. I hope I answered your question. I have a question from Karthik. As you said, we should be healthy. Thank you. We should be healthy by mind and to be fit. But nowadays, industrial sectors have been increased and lots of agricultural lands have been taken for developing industrial sector. Then how can we get healthy food in future if there was no agriculture? So Karthik, I guess I have I was touching. मैंने ये question पूरा पढ़ा भी नहीं था, and I was going to that only. Yes, so we really have to, as I said, the government or the organization itself really have to re-strategize and really rethink that how exactly and how they are going to improvise their industrial norms as well as agriculture norms. If you would see, what we are talking right now, what your question states is, this is a few years back thing where you would see that a lot of agriculture places were taken by the industries, because we were in that span where we were wanted to really expand the industry segment. But now this COVID or these pandemics or these alarms have again, as I know, we have gone back to basics, and we again have realized that agriculture was our main hold. If you would see, जो प्रधानमंत्री या फिर जो गवर्नमेंट ने एक बहुत ही बड़ा जो निकाला था ना, पैकेज जो बोलते हैं, उसमें सबसे बड़ा जो हेल्प या सबसे बड़ा जो पैसा गया था वो एग्रीकल्चर के साइड में गया था. Because we really again see that this is the industry which is, when it's industry, because it's a kind of, let's think about industry that is always going to help us to eradicate or less to have less impact if any of these pandemics come in the future. So we really we have to firstly, so okay, healthy food, if I just come to your point now, what is healthy food? Is anything healthy right now? Yeah, there are a lot of things which are healthy, but can a healthy food needs a big agricultural land? No, it does not. A healthy food still can be developed in a small agricultural land as well. So I come from a place which is known as Meerut, and it has industry as well. There is no problem whatsoever in being healthy. We do not use any kind of anything. We only use gobar khat and still late only. We use still water itself. Again, there is no artificial kind of pesticides which is being done. So can we still do it? Yes, we do it. But again, problem क्या होती है, कार्तिक is आजकल इतने पेस्टिसाइड्स भी यूज करने लग गए हैं कि जो फसल है, जो स्प्रेड है, उसमें पेस्टिसाइड्स डालने ही पड़ेंगे if I really want to have my produce. So there is a big, so we can even have a separate discussion on this itself. I would say, if Arlene and you guys want to have a separate session on this, I can really explain you how this happened. Reason being, I come from that background, so I understand this better. But yes, you are saying it right, that yes, we need to really focus on the land which is being done for agriculture, and that has to be really separate from the land which is going to be used by industry. How can we do it is, so you and I can have suggestions to that, but can you and I make a decision to it? Unfortunately, we cannot. There are big, smart, educated mind. We think that they are sitting over there and they should, and I'm sure they are. If you would see few months back, the decision that we have taken for industries, especially like agriculture, is really good, and we have again put our focus back on that, which is good one. So I'm sure this will answer your question in coming few months, where you would see industries like which pollute the land are going to be separate from the industries which does not pollute the land. So they can be together, and other industries is going to be slowly and steadily made away. I hope I answered your question, Karthik, on this.
Hello, sir.
Hi. Sorry, who's this?
सर जैसे कि आपने बताया कि अभी 50% के लिए ही अलाउड है एज पर गवर्नमेंट रूल्स. बैंक्वेट के अंदर सर अगर कोई भी फंक्शन करना हो तो 50 से ज्यादा पर्सन का गैदरिंग नहीं हो सकता. लॉकडाउन फंक्शन या जो भी बैंक्वेट फंक्शन बुक लॉकडाउन एज पर कोविड-19 सर किया है, जिन्होंने कैंसिल किया, होटल्स वालों का सर क्या रिएक्शन था? लाइक कि उनको रिफंड पूरा किया है कि फिर एक्सटेंड किया है उन लोगों का?
We have given 3 options. Number 1 is that you would want a refund, you would want to give us a credit, or you would want to, let's say, plan it in these days. So the hotel is open. So when I say the function has to be done of 50 people, it is like, so one space can have 50% of it, 50 people. But you can have 50 people, 50 people, 50 people in 3 different places. So enjoyment, I see that enjoyment. So we had a function itself where we had 150 people in the hotel, same family, but the protocols were still being managed, where one place had 50 people, one place had 50 people, one place had 50 people. They still were enjoying like anything.
Yes,
That was a new normal to us as well, just to understand. Yes, yes. So that we did, and with no additional cost to it, because hotel में वैसे ही कुछ function नहीं था, so we said why don't you use it, because मेरी costume तो जा ही रही है ना. I still have to use my ACs, I still have to give my place. मेरे को खाना उतना ही बनाना ही है, क्योंकि मेरे को तो 150 की बुकिंग थी, तो I would have to still make food for 150 people. So I just have to spread it in 3 locations in 3, and that's it. So that is one thing. So 3 options that has been given is, one, firstly you want a refund. Second is you want to just keep your money with us, and you can tell us कि कब function करना है. And number 3 is you want to, let's say, postpone your function, or you want to transfer your function to some other hotel where the venue is pretty big. You can still have function under one roof, no 3 sub locations, and you can still have those guidelines and proximity, like that safe distancing is still maintained.
Okay. क्योंकि जो सर जैसा कि मुझे पता है वैसे कि मैरिज सीजन में और मैरिज सीजन में ज्यादातर लोग बैंक्वेट होटल्स बुकिंग ज्यादा करते हैं, तो उसमें सर उनका होटल वालों का सर जो प्रॉफिट लेवल होता है वो ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि हम लोग सर
गौरव थोड़ा जोर से बोलेगा प्लीज.
मुझे पता है सर वहां तक मैरिज सीजन में सर बैंक्वेट बुकिंग ज्यादा होती है, क्योंकि कस्टमर्स को सर वो ज्यादा अच्छा प्रिफरेबल रहता है, और उन लोगों को सर ऑल एमिनिटीज और सब मिल जाता है उसके अंदर.
यस.
और होटल्स में भी सर उसके लिए सर प्रॉफिट ज्यादा रहता है बैंक्वेट बुकिंग में.
यस, ऑफ कोर्स.
उसका भी सर ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट हुआ होगा सर एज पर लॉकडाउन.
That's what I'm saying. See, overall, we have been impacted very badly. So there is no event. Event gives us a huge money, as you said. Because event को run down करने में our cost is less and the revenue is more.
Yes.
No revenue on, but to be honest, जो hotel सबसे ज़्यादा earn करता है, hotel earns the maximum on the rooms, not on the events. Events publicity करते हैं.
Okay.
150 people coming to my place only for few hours is like a publicity of me, because they go around the hotel, they may even go and sit in the coffee shop, they may even go and sit in restaurants. Some of them may want to use my room for wash and change. So it's the publicity for me. But the biggest revenue generator for any hotel is the rooms. Until and unless your rooms is less, for example, your rooms are 10 only, but your banquets are 20 in numbers, 20 banquets and 10 rooms. That's when the figure goes other way around. But in generally, the principle of any hotel is, which has rooms and banquets, the maximum revenue is from the rooms, but the maximum publicity that happens is from the F&B side, food and beverage side. Because food and beverage, once as I said, margins are very less.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Himanshu. I must say that you said a huge engine would require enormous fuel, and I think that enormous fuel has been given to them so that they can work for the next 1 week. And we will surely come back to you with 5 best presentations, whatever they will do.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thanks, a big thanks from my side personally and from LJ family, because the way you have spent this 1 hour fruitfully with them is beyond my words. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, Arlene. Thank you, people. Enjoy. You are super good guys. Just believe in yourself. You will do really well. Keep faith. Thank you so much. Take care. See you somewhere.
Himanshu, you log out. Others, please be there. I want to just have 5 minutes address with you all. Himanshu, you can log out. Okay, students. I hope my voice is audible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now yes, please see the template. Now what you have to do. You remember when we started this particular, my slides are visible?
Harleen ma'am, I would log out now.
Yes, log out please.
Okay, thank you ma'am.
Students, my slides are visible?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Now
yes,
visible.
Okay. You must remember my session of Adani Wilmar case with you. What we did, we started with case facts like this. I jotted down all the points in the slide, whatever was there in the case. So now what you have to do is, आपको क्या करना है, whatever he said today, उसमें से जो भी आपको point लगता है, to elaborate, कुछ उसमें और analysis करना है, then you will start with this case facts. If he has said that Hotel Marriott is coming up with double cleaning or chef is going to come at your place or Marriott on wheels, ऐसी जो भी strategies उन्होंने आपको बताई हैं, उसको आगे further कुछ उसके बारे में अगर आपको कुछ बताना है, you will write in the case facts. One slide you will make of the case facts of whatever he has done today. After that, what you will do, you will talk about results. अगर आप उनको कुछ strategies बताओगे कि आप X कर सकते हो, आप Y कर सकते हो, आप laundry clean करवा सकते हो, आप virtual उनके साथ कोई functions कर सकते हो, आप कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ suggest कर रहे हो, तो उसके results बताइए second slide में. Your suggestions, your results. Then third slide में आप emergent strategies बताओगे, आप कोविड के बाद और क्या कर सकते हो, वैक्सीन आने के बाद क्या करोगे, बिफोर वैक्सीन आप क्या करोगे, व्हाट कैन बी योर इमरजेंट स्ट्रेटजीज. थर्ड स्लाइड. फोर्थ स्लाइड, आई वुड आस्क, रिक्वेस्ट यू टू मेक SWOT analysis. Many of you have done in my previous assignment also. What you have to do is you have to jot down strength, weakness, opportunity and threat of Marriott hotels. Now when I talk about strength and weakness, this is internal of a company. When I talk about opportunities and threats, these are external of a company. मैंने यहाँ पे example रखी है Starbucks की. What Starbucks is having strength, उनकी अपने positives क्या हैं कंपनी के अंदर, वो क्या है, उनका ब्रांड नेम अच्छा है, उनकी कॉफी की वैरायटी बहुत अच्छी है, उनकी कस्टमर की सर्विस बहुत अच्छी है, वो मार्केट में नंबर 2 है. सो दिस इज देयर स्ट्रेंथ, उनका अपने में पॉजिटिव्स क्या है. देन कम्स वीकनेस, उनके खुद में क्या नेगेटिव्स हैं, उनकी जो परसेप्शन है जो लोगों के दिमाग में है कि वो टैक्स अच्छे से पे नहीं करते, उनकी वीकनेस है. उनका जो सीईओ है हॉवर्ड स्कॉल्ड्स, वो 2 साल पहले रिटायर कर गया, उनकी वीकनेस है, उनके नेगेटिव्स हैं. देन इज स्टारबक्स की अपॉर्चुनिटी, आउटर वर्ल्ड में उनके लिए क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज अवेलेबल हैं, वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. एक्सटर्नल क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, emerging markets from India, Asia and China. ये 3 कंट्री जो बेसिकली एशिया, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एशिया में लोग चाय ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं, बट नाउ विद जो नए मिलेनियल्स आ रहे हैं उनको कॉफी बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. ये उनकी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. ये कुछ अच्छा उनकी कंपनी में नहीं है, बट ये अपॉर्चुनिटी उनकी कंपनी से बाहर है जिससे उनकी सेल बढ़ सकती है. शिफ्ट फ्रॉम फिजी ड्रिंक्स टू कॉफी, अपॉर्चुनिटी. फिजी ड्रिंक्स से ज्यादा लोग कॉफी पसंद करते हैं, कोविड टाइम्स में लोग गर्म चीजें पसंद करते हैं, ये उनकी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. जो चीजें कंपनी के बाहर कंपनी के लिए अच्छी हो रही हैं वो कंपनी की अपॉर्चुनिटी है. जो चीजें कंपनी के बाहर कंपनी के बुरे के लिए हैं, कंपनी के नेगेटिव के लिए हैं, वो उसका थ्रेट है. वो क्या है, कॉस्ट ऑफ कॉफी आ गया है, इकोनॉमिक साइकिल इज डाउन, पीपल कैन नॉट अफोर्ड मच लग्जूरियस कॉफीज दीज डेज. मैकडोनल्ड्स के साथ कैफे इज देयर व्हिच इज एन इकोनॉमिकल कॉफी प्रोवाइडर आउटलेट. ये सब उसके क्या है, थ्रेट्स हैं. ऐसे ही आपको होटल मैरियट का 4th या 5th स्लाइड में SWOT एनालिसिस करके उनके स्ट्रेंथ्स, वीकनेसेस, अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड थ्रेट्स उनको बताना है. सो इन टोटल 4 to 5 स्लाइड्स यू विल मेक ऑफ केस फैक्ट्स, इमर्जेंट स्ट्रेटजीज, जो स्ट्रेटजी आप बता रहे हो उसके रिजल्ट्स क्या होंगे, देन आपको बनाना है उनका SWOT एनालिसिस. एंड we will start taking your presentations from Wednesday onwards, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days we will be taking your presentations, and we will pick the first 5 or 6 good presentations who will get a chance to present in front of Himanshu Tomar. Any query?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
हाँ मैम, वो हमें खाली 4 स्लाइड्स ही बनानी है, नॉट मेक मोर.
नहीं, 4 to 5 स्लाइड्स आर इनफ. मैं आपको इस पूरा स्ट्रक्चर सेंड कर देती हूँ जो मैंने अभी आपको समझाया कि आपको किस स्लाइड में क्या रखना है. आई विल सेंड यू आफ्टर माय दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन.
ओके मैम.
ओके, एंड योर ड्यूरेशन फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशन विल बी 10 minutes. ओके.
Hello.
5 minutes. Yes.
Ma'am, how many points would be there in one slide?
आपने मेरी स्लाइड्स देखी हैं? आई एम स्क्रोलिंग माय स्लाइड्स. आप देखो मेरी एक स्लाइड में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 लाइंस हैं और 4 to 5 पॉइंट्स. दैट्स इट. ऐसी ही प्रेजेंटेशन आपको बनानी है जैसे मैं आपको सेंड कर रही हूँ अभी. दैट्स इट.
ओके.
मैंने आपको 6 स्लाइड्स भेज रही हूँ, आप वैसे ही स्लाइड्स बना के लाइए.
Sure.
Okay. Any more question? Any doubt? Any confusion? I hope you all have made the groups. of someone of your age, someone of your background? आपने किसी को अपने ग्रुप्स के नेम्स दिए हैं अभी तक?
No, ma'am.
नहीं दिए. Okay, I will ask later on. You start working on this day and Tuesday you can work, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you. I will take leave. Apurva ma'am session will be there after 5 minutes. Your communication lecture,
Okay, ma'am.
right? At 11:20. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.